If you use the iPhone Mail app, it's a huge culprit in draining the battery life on your iPhone. It might be constantly doing stuff in the background, checking for new email, running, using up your data as well. Let's rein in that iPhone Mail app so it only uses your battery when you want it to and not constantly doing so. So first, just open up the Settings app on your iPhone. And first we'll tap on Cellular midway down. Scroll down. Under Cell Data Period, tap on Show All. Now scroll down again and check to see your Mail app here. You can see 188 megabytes. This is how much your iPhone Mail app has been using your cell data when you're not on Wi-Fi. If this is an outrageously large number because it's constantly updating and checking, you can always turn this off, and now it will only check your mail if you're connected to Wi-Fi. Of course, there is a downside if you're out and about and you want to check your email using your cell data, you want to keep that turned on. So it's up to you to leave it on or off. Next, let's tap the back arrow at the top left and back again. And scroll down, tap on General midway down, and then scroll down again and tap on Background App Refresh. Now at the top, tap on Background App Refresh. This allows all of the apps that are currently turned on to constantly update and refresh in the background no matter what. I would highly recommend turning this off because it helps to reduce all of that usage in the background and improve your battery life. Next, let's tap the back arrow at the top left, tap back again, and tap back yet again. Scroll down to the bottom and tap on Apps at the bottom, and then scroll down until you get to the Mail app on this list, and tap on Mail. From here, we're going to tap on Mail Accounts at the top, and at the bottom, tap on Fetch New Data. This allows your iPhone Mail app to either push or fetch new data, new emails, constantly in the background. So if push is turned on, it says new data will be pushed to your iPhone from the server whenever it's possible, constantly draining the battery life and using up lots of data. I would recommend turning that off. And also scroll down to Fetch. The schedule below is used when push is off or applications that don't support it. You can see for better battery life, fetch less frequently. Or in my case, I would highly recommend switching this to just manual. Essentially what this means is when you open up the email app on your iPhone, it will check for new email across all of your email servers, whether it's Gmail, Yahoo, Outlook, whatever you may have. But when you don't have that Mail app open, it won't constantly check for them. Next, let's tap the back arrow at the top left here, and then tap back yet again. You can see a number of different things here, as well as cell data, again, whether you want to be able to use that or not. And as you scroll down, you'll be able to see a lot of other interesting things. I would highly recommend going into privacy protection. This doesn't necessarily help your battery life, but this is just an easy win to help protect your mail activity and not allow random third-party trackers to check to see all of your email activity on your iPhone. I would recommend turning that on as well. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.